Hey guys, today I want to tell you more about our ICT Silver Bullet Indicator, and let me give you a quick recap of the Silver Bullet strategy. So, this was developed by ICT, who is a well-known figure in the trading industry, and it is a time-based strategy that works best between the hours of 3 to 4 a.m., 10 to 11 a.m., and 2 to 3 p.m. all New York time. So, shortly before the trading hour, mark out the buy-side and sell-side liquidity levels and wait for the market to break any of them, anticipating a strong move of the market in the opposite direction of whichever level is broken. After the liquidity level is broken, look for displacement in the market. Next, identify fair value gaps along the displacement leg. When the market retraces and fills a fair value gap, depending on whether the move will be bearish or bullish, you can enter long or short positions by either placing buy or sell orders, or waiting and taking trades manually, remembering to adjust your stop loss and take profit accordingly. So, this is a very effective strategy, but you can see it's also very technical. That's why our ICT Silver Bullet Indicator is the perfect solution. This indicator takes the hassle out of this strategy for you and makes it much simpler. So, first off, it's important that you remain in either the 1 minute or 5 minute time frame when using this indicator. And so you can see it highlights the 3 trading hours for you, and the most important thing is that it shows you the fair value gaps. Let me zoom in on this section. So here you can see we have a blue fair value gap that was identified in this session. So this is a bullish fair value gap from which you can place buy orders. And you can see where the market went up, retraced and touched the gap, and then went back up again. And here we have another section, this time with a red bearish fair value gap. So you can see when it was formed and the market went down, came back and touched the gap and then pushed further down. So instead of having to worry about the liquidity levels or the break of structure, all you would have to do is wait until you see the fair value gap forming. And then you could either set a sell limit if it's bearish or a buy limit if it's bullish, or you could wait until you see the market fill the gap to manually enter into trades. Additionally, this indicator has an alert feature. So, if we go to properties, we can see you're able to change different settings such as the colors of the different fair value gaps and so on. And down here, we have this feature that gives alerts whenever a new fair value gap forms. And you can set the value to true, and it will alert you when there is a new fair value gap, or you could set the value to false to turn off the alerts. So it makes it very easy for you to use this strategy. And so, to get this Silver Bullet Indicator, you can click on the link in the description below. And thanks again for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think. And goodbye for now.